Hi everyone, it's Sam from RippleBytes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments for any topics you'd like to see me cover. Let's get started. In this video, we'll go through the steps needed to install NodeJS on macOS. NodeJS is a tool used to run JavaScript code outside of the browser. More details on what NodeJS is can be found in the previous video in this series, linked below in the description. We'll be installing the latest stable release of Node from the official website. Head over to nodejs.org and you should see the download links for the LTS and current builds. We're going to want to use the long-term support or LTS version. Once you get into Node.js later on, you may want to check out the latest possible features of Node, but for the vast majority of cases, the LTS version will do just fine, and it is the more stable alternative. You'll see as well on the website a mention of what Node.js is, a runtime built on Chrome's V8 engine, which we talked about in the previous video on Node.js. Click on the download link and save the installer to your computer. Once the download is finished, we'll open the installer and run through the installation process. Included in the Node.js installer is something called the Node Package Manager, or NPM. This is something that we'll cover more in another video, linked below as well, but for now you can think of NPM as a tool that lets us download JavaScript packages that the community of developers has created so that we aren't reinventing the wheel time and time again. We'll follow the steps and keep the defaults. Installing will require administrator access, so you'll need to enter your username and password. And then it'll finish installing and we get the success message. To see if Node.js has been correctly installed, let's open up a terminal window, and to see if Node has been installed, we'll simply type node. And then we get into the JavaScript environment, similar to the developer console in the Chrome browser. We can assign variables, and then we can interact as we would in the browser as well. So this is how you would install Node.js on your macOS platform. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video from RippleBytes, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you want to see any more topics.